Hello, welcome to another t-shirt design course online 2020. Yes, this is a t-shirt design course online for you guys to learn a new t-shirt design pattern, a new t-shirt design, how to create t-shirt designs that sell for you, how to create passive income through t-shirt design through sites like Redbubble Teepublic. I really appreciate you if you are just joining me for the first time, for clicking through. It shows you want to learn something, so I'll advise you to watch to the very end. Please don't click off of this video. If you're my constant viewer, thank you very much for supporting. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm glad from your comments you guys are really enjoying what I do, so I really appreciate you guys. Please, you guys should avoid clicking through when you meet a tutorial video like this, because you don't know what exact step you want to learn and what step you will grab today. So please, I always advise you to watch to the very end. That's the best way to learn. So without wasting much of time, I just want to advise you to please subscribe. Please subscribe. We are just about 166. Let's hit 1000 before the end of May. Let's hit 1000 before the end of May. Let's hit 1000. So please, if you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, join the family, and we'll make it together. We'll make income together. We'll become rich together. So without wasting much of time, let's get straight into today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to go to a site called Flat Icons. I already searched travel. It's going to be a travel kind of theme. People love to travel, even though you can't travel right about now. But I'm motivated to do this because I know soon we'll be able to travel again. So this is the one I want to use. Please follow me step by step. You see, this is one of the sites I use. Teepublic. The banner showed up here just now, but that's just about that. So let's click on this. So this is the design I want to use for this. I want to use this design. You can see it's quite simple, but I'm going to make it a bit funky, you know, something you love to use. Remember to always give credit. So I'm going to click on this. So always make sure when people ask me where do I put my credit, yes, you put it in the description of your design, of your upload, or either in Redbubble. You just put it in a small, in one line, just say credit, design credit goes to free pick, you know, that kind of thing. Always show gratitude. It's simple. Those simple things create good love. So you just click on download. It's gonna download. Now when that's done downloading, the next step we want to do, we are done with this part. We'll just close this. We're done with that part. So now we'll head up and open Photoshop. This is a free t-shirt design course online done in 2020. Free t-shirt design course 2020. So please, if this is what you want to learn, t-shirt designs and t-shirt design for yourself, for your company, for your business, or to make passive income, please watch this video to the very end. I really appreciate it. I'm helping you help me, so we both helping each other. It's not like someone is just helping someone and no one is gaining. You're gaining because I'm giving you out this for free. I'm giving this out for free. I'm not getting paid, or you're not paying me. As you can see, ads are not running yet on my page, so I won't say I'm making any money for now. So I'm giving you this for free because I want you to learn and make your own. So let's just go to files, new, and the standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. Just pause and copy this. This is the standard I use, so I just press OK. So now we have that. Remember to double tap on this padlock to unlock this layer, because I want to switch off this layer at the end. But as you can see, I'm clicking on it now. I can't do anything until I double tap on this padlock, press OK. Now I can put this off and on. We need to put this off at the end of our designs, but for now let's just leave that the way it is. So now we'll find our design, which is called seat belt. So now we'll just drag it into Photoshop. Boom. Now we have it in Photoshop, so I'll just turn it like this. At the end I'll turn it back, but for now I'll just leave it like this. So for this, it's gonna say, and let's increase this to about 40. So it's gonna say I think I would love to change the font, but let me increase this first. I want to change the font to something more classical. Okay, so now that we have that, as you can see, it's quite small, so I'm going to increase it. So I'll do Ctrl T on my keyboard, over my mouse to this edge, and I'll press down 3 button, my Alt key button, Shift key button, and my left mouse click button, and drag outwards. Do not drag outwards. So you see it gave me that. So this is gonna go here. This is gonna go here. This is travel. So I'm gonna duplicate this layer so that I don't have to go through these sides again. To do that, I'm gonna press my Alt key button, my left mouse key button, and drag downwards. So you see I've duplicated that layer. Now come to this text file, this T, and light, Ctrl A to copy all, and I'll put my V E. So now that I have that, I'll just put it on this other side. Put it on this other side. As you can see, now we have that. So now the next thing I want to do is to make this travel blend with the seat belt, so it looks like I joined it together. I hope you understand what I mean. So to do that, I'm going to first increase this. I'm going to increase this, or I want it closer to me so that I can work on it properly. So to do that, I'm going to do Ctrl plus on my keyboard to increase that. Now I'll just reduce the opacity on this for the meantime so that I can see where I'm working on. Or I'll increase this and reduce the opacity for the seat belt. Yes, that's the way it should be. Then I'll right click by this edge here. I'm gonna right click, vectorize layer. Then I'm gonna come to this, it's called the polygon laser tool. I'll click on it. This is the one I'm going to use to cut. I'm going to use to cut from this, so I'll just do this. Just do this. So once I do that, I delete. I'm going to come again. As you can see, there's a little. So now I'll just delete that. So we'll have that there. For the A too, the A looks okay. There's nothing I have to change. Nothing I have to change from this A. You can see nothing really. So we just leave the A the way it is. Just leave the A the way it is right about now. So now I'll go back and increase the opacity. And you see I get that effect of the seat belt. So I'm just going to do Ctrl 0 to get it back. As you can see, we have it travel, super easy design, not complicated, super easy. And you can see so far so good. It just took us about 8 minutes for this step. It's nothing, design is nothing complicated. Don't ever make your designs complicated. Please never make your designs complicated. Now what we want to do next, we want to turn off this layer. So now we are left with our designs. So now we'll just go over to save this. So go to File, Save As. Remember, you want to save it as PNG because you want it without the background. So you go to Pictures and give it a name you can remember. For this one is should I do seat belt travel? Travel. So now I'll just save it as PNG. Please, if you've not subscribed and you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe. Let's hit 1000 subs at the end of May. That's the aim. Let's hit 1000 subs. So please join me on that journey. Let's hit 1000 subs. If you believe in me, if you enjoy my work, and you have the urge to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. If your subscribe button is not yet gray, please hit the subscribe button. Let's hit 1000 subs at the end of May. I really appreciate you guys. So I'm gonna save this. Yes, okay. So it's gonna save. You can see 89%. So design should be easy. Just get creative a little bit. Don't need to make it complicated. Never need to make your designs complicated. Just have an idea, put it together, and try to work things around. And you can practice this. Just practice on your own. Go to the site, get your design, practice, do everything I did. If you can do it the same way I did it, fine. But when you want to make your own unique design, please you have to change things around. You can change the color, the font. Just change things around. These are not hard designs. You can just do them by yourself. As you can see, it took us about 10 minutes to do this. So now I want to add a little something to this. So I just want to show you how to place this on shirts for those of you that are asking. So I use this hanger mockup. Just use this hanger mockup. I'll just go to your design here, delete this two, and bring in our travel. Go to pictures, seat. This is it. We'll just bring it into box. As you can see, it's quite big, so I'll reduce this a bit. To do that, I'll just do my three buttons, my Alt key button, Shift key button, and my left mouse button, and drag inwards to reduce. And now we have our design. Just save it, and when we go back, it should be on our shirt. As you can see, it says travel. Then to change the color, I might just click this, and our design is there. Click on save as, pictures, seat belt, save it as PNG. Now you can promote this on Instagram, Pinterest, and get sales. That's about that. You press OK. If you enjoyed my video so far, please, to your right you see a playlist. Make sure you click on that playlist and watch to the very end. I advise you to watch to the very end. Watch at least 10 videos, bench watch 10 videos, and you will notice you've become familiar with both Photoshop or Canva, depending on which video you see. Just practice along and you get used to it. So I'll see you on the next one. Have a lovely day. Stay safe.